live at Symons House. My favorite thing about the accommodation is how close it is to the university. We're centrally located, which means that we're just a 15-minute walk away from campus and the city centre. The accommodation offers breakfast every Friday and pizzas every Wednesday. We're also able to book out the cinema room for movie nights. Each flat has 5 rooms that you access with your fob. All of the rooms are en suite, and we have a shared kitchen with a dining and living area. On the 8th floor, we have a dining area that you can book out for celebrations and a rooftop with the most amazing view.